Since I've lost 229 pounds, if there's anything I love, it's quick and easy meals. Quick and easy meals. So I'm gonna show you something super easy. I'm spraying my waffle iron with some nonstick cooking spray. It's already dirty. Why am I spraying it? I don't know. I love these 0 carb little baby mission tortillas. I know it's a tortilla, I'm joking. We're making the easiest chicken quesadilla you ever did see, okay? I've got a 1/4 cup of shredded mozzarella. Use any kind of cheese you want. The calories are just better with mozzarella. So I'm gonna put half the amount down, so 2 tablespoons, down on my tortilla. Ow, I'm gonna melt my nail again. Now I'm gonna go in with an ounce of rotisserie chicken that I have put the good stuff, Taco Bell hot sauce all over. And I'm gonna put that down. Rest of the cheese, I'm telling you, this is high protein, low calorie, and so easy. You can eat this as a meal or a snack, however it works out for you, babe. Top it with the tortilla. Let her cook. So while Waffle Ramsey's cooking our chicken quesadilla, I'm gonna show you how to make the sauce we're gonna eat with it, because if you know anything about me, I have to have a dipper sauce with anything I eat. I'll often do my meals based around a dipper sauce that I'm craving. Can't help it. So this one is really good and I've been loving it. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of a light sour cream. You can use Greek yogurt too if you want to. I just don't have any Greek yogurt at the moment. I'm gonna do a tablespoon of salsa. I'm obsessed with Tostito salsa. Don't make fun. I lied. Let's do 2 tablespoons. I normally don't measure this, but for you guys, I'm measuring it, okay? Don't skip this step. You need some of the Fiesta Hidden Valley Ranch dip mix, okay? And I'm not measuring this. I just sprinkle it, put a little in there, I stir it and I taste it, and then I get the flavor that I want. You'll know. You'll know. I could drink this. Literally like a shot. All right, she's done. Let's cut her up. Oh, yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm so excited. Oh, this is gonna be so good in our sauce, guys. It's a perfect low-cal, low-carb, high-protein meal or snack. Yeah, you definitely need to make this.